Epics have been heroic tales, and conventions of epic hint that the main theme generally in epic is that of valor and bravery. An epic poem presents inspirational and many times tragic folklore of adventure by its protagonist. In classical Sanskrit literature, Nayak was one who generally attained some benefit at the end because of his traits and virtues. Both Bharata and Dhananjay classified four main characteristics of Nayak. 1. Dhir Lalita, meaning one who has high sense of refinement in arts and aesthetics and is a soft-spoken person. 2. Dhir Prashant, meaning one who is calm, composed, serious and compassionate. 3. Dhiroddat, meaning one who is beyond anger or anxiety and one who is merciful. And the fourth, Dhirodvat, meaning one who is brave but is angry and boastful and suffers from jealousy. While Greek epic heroes have some unique traits and behavioral pattern, there are some common characteristics like these heroes having noble birth, having extra human potentials, respected in folklores, and who fight equally brave enemies. Greek heroes presented three codes of Aristos, Arete, and Aristia. The first code, Aristos, meant that the hero was best in all roles. He was the best of the warriors, best in diplomacy, best as a ruler. Arete meant valuation of one's merit by others. Greek heroes believed that community and posterity would decide who had how much value. It was a third party estimation of heroism. Aristia meant appreciation of one in the eyes of one's own companions. Both in Mahabharata and Iliad, showing bravery on battlefield was crucial for the hero, as the judgment of one as the paragon could only come by showing what one deserved. Thus, heroes were told if they succeeded in war, they would gain kingdom and fame, and if they died, then also they would have fame at least. Achilles sets him apart from this code. When Agamemnon takes Briseis away, he withdraws from war and says he does not care for the estimation from his companions or his society. To him, his personal honor means more. He refuses other gifts offered by Agamemnon and says, "We are all going to die, both the brave and the weak, so it matters little if you do a great deal or nothing. Look at me, how I have fought harder than anyone, and how I have nothing, and what I was fighting for. Who are the Argives fighting the Trojans for? Helen. What is so special about Helen?" In comparison, Hector, when he bids farewell to Andromache, says, "Wife, I too have thought upon all this, but with what face should I look upon the Trojans, men or women, if I shrink battle like a coward? I cannot do so. I knew nothing save to fight bravely in the forefront of the Trojan host and win renown alike for my father and for myself." Hector is very clear about heroic code and says, "Oh, my rash courage, charge the chance of war and blame those virtues which they cannot share. No, if I ever return I must glorious, my country's terror laid in dust. Or if I perish, let her see me fall in field at least and fighting for her wall." To me, Hector emerges as a better human. He might not be as brave as Achilles, but he is brave and noble both. What is your estimation of who is a hero